Disclaimer lang, baka meron na naman mga magagalit dyan. Hindi ako pro sa fragrance, pero I just wanna say my opinion about this and why I don't recommend you guys buying Mancera Red Tea, especially for those beginners and especially for those na nagbabalak na bumili nito dahil lang sa TikTok hype na mabango daw siya, na beast mode performance. Yes, everything is true about that, but the problem is beginners do tend to overspray fragrances na ginagawa nilang everyday scent nila, ginagamit nila for school, and yun doon tayo nagkakaroon ng problema. Because not everyone is hiyang sa mga amoy, especially for this fragrance. Kaya ang nangyayari is, people do tend to overspray this, and nangyayari ginagamit nila sa everyday. Kaya yung mga nakakatabi nila parang sa una siguro, yes, they will smell you good. Sabi nila, uy, ang bango naman ito. Pero pag nagtigal, after a few minutes na kasama mo sila, they can feel nauseous. It's a lot. Hindi siya bit cloying. It's really cloying, especially if you're gonna wear this on a hot weather, especially pag gagamitin mo siya na alam mong pagpapawisan ka. So, if isa ka sa ba kayo na gusto lang bilhin to dahil sa hype siya, dahil gagamitin mo siya sa school, I wanna smell unique, please don't buy this. Try other sweet tobacco scents because this is too overwhelming and you might annoy a lot of people. You can only wear this on special occasion, especially sa mga events na merong wide room. Pero if gagamitin mo sa mga classroom, sa mga kulob na area, bro, maawa ka sa mga kasama mo. Because you will annoy them really, really bad. Don't get me wrong, it smells very, very good. Pero hindi mo talaga siya magagamit sa mga pang-araw-araw. I already had my experience wearing this on a room, and sabi sa akin ng mga tao, uy, bango mo sabi sa akin. But then after 30 minutes, makita mo sila, masakit na yung ulo nila, they feel nauseous, and it's just annoying. So, yun lang. If gusto mo talaga yung red tea, then just buy it. Pero if ayaw mo naman, yun nga, take my opinion. Yun lang naman. Bye, peace.